Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the COSTWAY Twin Tub and the Portable Mini Washer. In this video, we will dive into their features, capacities, and functionalities to help you determine which one is the best fit for your laundry needs. Let's start by looking at the COSTWAY Twin Tub, which boasts a substantial capacity and dual tub design, making it ideal for larger loads. On the other hand, we have the Portable Mini Washer, known for its compact and foldable design, perfect for small spaces and delicate items. Stay tuned as we explore these two options in detail. When it comes to capacity, the COSTWAY Twin Tub stands out with its impressive 26 pounds total capacity, allowing you to wash larger loads efficiently. In contrast, the Portable Mini Washer offers a more modest 13 liters capacity, making it suitable for small items such as baby clothes and delicates. If you frequently do laundry for multiple people or larger items, the COSTWAY may be the better choice. However, if you're looking for something compact and easy to store, the Portable Mini Washer could be more appealing. The COSTWAY Twin Tub features a dual tub design, allowing you to wash and spin clothes separately, which can save you time and enhance efficiency. On the other hand, the Portable Mini Washer operates as a single tub, which may limit its functionality for larger loads. This makes the COSTWAY more versatile for users who need to wash different types of laundry simultaneously, while the Portable Mini Washer is perfect for quick, small loads. Price is another significant factor to consider. The COSTWAY Twin Tub is priced at $189.99, reflecting its larger capacity and additional features. In contrast, the Portable Mini Washer is much more budget-friendly at $57.99, making it an attractive option for those on a tight budget or looking for a simple laundry solution. Ultimately, your choice may depend on how much you're willing to invest in your laundry needs. In conclusion, both the COSTWAY Twin Tub and the Portable Mini Washer have their unique advantages. The COSTWAY is ideal for those needing a larger capacity and separate wash/spin cycles, while the Portable Mini Washer is perfect for users with limited space who prioritize portability and ease of storage. Depending on your laundry needs and budget, either option could be the right choice for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.